The actual, factual, original Sazerac made with rye. To make this, you'll need 60 ml of rye. Sazerac is the obvious choice, but a quality all-rounder like Knob Creek is great, or Rittenhouse Bottled in Bond for something more savoury. 10 ml of sugar syrup, 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, 10 to 15 ml of absinthe to rinse, and a lemon twist or coin. You'll also need a jigger, a mixing glass or other rocks glass, a bar spoon, a julep strainer, a small rocks glass, and a shot glass. Prepare a small coin of lemon peel. Fill your serving glass with ice and add the absinthe, drizzling around as much as possible. Give it a stir and leave to chill. So we'll start with about 10 ml of sugar syrup. This is very much to taste. And then we'll go 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. It's very much a star ingredient in here. And then 60 ml of rye. Just fill your mixing glass up with ice. Then we're gonna give it a little stir just by pushing the ice around in the glass there. I do tend to like to give this a good amount of dilution because obviously it's not being served on the rocks, so sort of as, you know, as diluted as it is how diluted it's gonna get. Then this bit is optional, but if you do want to have a little taste of your sort of now nice and milky absinthe, you can pour it out into a shot glass, otherwise you can just discard it all. So we're just going to pour, using your julep strainer to hold the ice back in here. And then get your little lemon twist or lemon coin and give it a sharp fold over the top. And there we have a Rye Sazerac. So now you know.